Hey, Auntie.
Hey, boo. Hey loves, welcome back to this Classy Jazzy channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I created this Black Panther inspired makeup. And you know the dedication is real because I took my favorite black long sleeve shirt and my favorite hat and I took the detailings off the hat to put this on here, just like Black Panther's bodysuit. So to learn how to create this look, just keep watching. I already have one eye done and now we're going to do the other one. I already primed my lids and now I'm starting off with my yellow eyeshadow and I'm using my taper blending brush and we're going to apply that almost to the brow bone. Now I'm using my orange color and I'm going to be blending that on my crease and almost to where the yellow stops. Then the last color I'll be applying on my crease is red, and that's to give the orange a little bit more color. I'm just gonna blend that out to make it a gradient effect. And then I'm gonna place a dark brown eyeshadow and place it onto my lids with a flat shading brush. I am going to blend that out with my blending brush. I'm going to get my black liquid eyeliner and I'm going to make a wing. Then I'll add a small looking wing thing, I don't know what it's called, but into my inner corner to give it the cat eye effect. I'm going in with my black pencil eyeliner and I'm going to be lining my waterline. Then I'm going to blend that out with a taper blending brush with a brown and a orange right below my waterline. Then I'm getting a metallic eyeliner and I am lining the top part of my wing liner. Then we're going to apply mascara. After that, I will apply a purplish brownish matte lipstick all over my lips. Then line my lips with a brown matte lipstick. I'm going to highlight on the highest point of my cheekbones, my brow bones, my chin, and my cupid's bow. And I'll also highlight on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to apply white dots all over my face with a white pencil eyeliner. It's easier for me to show you than to tell you. Now I'm using my white eyeshadow and a pencil brush, and I am applying the white eyeshadow on my dots to set it. Lastly, I am using my metallic liner and placing it on my bottom lip. That is all.
Maybe the night that my tears might let me know. Only stars are those, sure. Only stars are those, sure. Only stars are those.
Thank you, loves, for watching another one of my makeup tutorials. Once again, I love you guys. Don't forget to share this video to your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your grandmama, your granddaddy, your neighbor, the dog, the stray cat, your teacher, the students, in your class. Don't forget to tell everyone. Let the world know if they need some help and some makeup. Boo! You already know I got you. My subscribers are lit, and that's the dealio. Bye, loves.